My name is David Malgee, and I was diagnosed with cancer of the vallecula back in March of this year, 2016. It is a difficult cancer because it is so close to the voice box. It's actually at the base of the tongue, so it's close to the voice box, it's close to the epiglottis. So it was a tricky treatment. I was pretty nervous going into it because of those factors. But of course the experience I had here was just outstanding. Honestly, if it wasn't for the fact that I had cancer, it would have been just a great place to come. I mean, it was wonderful. The people were not only accommodating and warm and very compassionate, but it's a professional environment. They're obviously people that are very skilled at what they do. They're very focused on what they do. They're very caring about how they approach my cancer, and truthfully, it could not have been a better experience. I think my best advice would be listen to people that have been through it before in terms of the recommendations that they can make. I've talked to a number of people already about coming over here to the Cancer Center who may have sought treatment elsewhere, maybe at Johns Hopkins or a Hershey Medical Center, places of that nature. People don't always realize that there's this kind of expertise right here locally in the Gettysburg area. I would just say that probably no one has been more scared about the treatment process than I was. I'm sure there have been plenty of people that have been as scared as I was, but right away I was put at ease by the way that Dr. Kyer and Dr. Young approached my diagnosis and explained the treatment process. And in my case, the treatment was so effective. In fact, they said, truthfully, it was almost miraculous the way that I came through it, with very few side effects and that type of thing. So to me, the best part about this was that I anticipated a lot of serious side effects, potentially. And I really came through it with a minimum of discomfort. And I certainly felt that I was in great hands. And that's all the way from the doctors on down to the folks that were administering the chemotherapy and the radiation. I had 35 radiation treatments, which was a little intimidating, but it went well. I actually missed the people here when I was through with my treatments.